Google, Yahoo, and so many others are catching on. And unfortunately for us as marketers, we're going to have to make these changes right now. If you're just watching this video for the first time, my name is Guillermo Mata. I'm the CEO at Red Tour Media LLC, and I'm the lead here for this amazing community we call the Red Tour Media community. I wanted to personally just upload this video really quick. This is not the full video. You can find the full video inside of our contributors portal. This is not free. Learn more about it via the link down below. But basically what's going on is Google and Yahoo are creating some real strong boundaries. I touched on this in 2023, and it's finally happening. And what's crazy is that I'm starting to see my spam folder just shoot up like crazy off of this. Even some of my associates are in spam. They don't even realize it. So what is going on? So Google, Yahoo, cutting all the techie talk, getting right into it. They want you to validate your domain. They want you to validate your domain. And this is not simply just putting your name on your, in connection to your email, in your address. There are some little steps that you need to take. These little steps will impact you in the long term, in the long run. And I'm going to dive into some really good tips that I know that are going to help you really get back to business and get back to where you need to be. So if you like to get more help in that regard, and if you're watching this video, hopefully you are, trust me, you want to click on that link down below. Learn more about the contributors program. It's about $24 a month. You could pause at any time. It's tax deductible. You're not gonna like lose sleep off this at night. I'm sharing all of this inside of the contributors portal. I got a document together, a step-by-step, and another video coming up soon, depending on the feedback that I get. But in short, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to show you how you could get back to getting in that inbox. How's that sound? If that sounds good, that link is down below. This is real deal. You're seeing it right here. Do not ignore this. Your next email to that next prospect, you'll end up in spam, and you won't even know why. These changes, I'm telling you now, you send 5,000 emails or more in a day or in a week, you will end up in spam if you do not apply these changes. I will see you inside of the contributors portal. That link is down below.